Imagine this, you're great at fixing computers, your skills are top-notch, your tools are ready, but you're barely getting any clients. Sound familiar? In 2025, having technical skills isn't enough. If people don't know you exist, they can't hire you. That's why today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a steady stream of high-quality clients for your computer repair business, using strategies that work today, not yesterday. Whether you're working from home, have a small shop, or run a mobile repair service, this video is packed with proven tactics that will help you attract real customers and grow fast. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your ideal client. Get specific to get results. Before you can attract clients, you need to know who you're trying to reach. Not all computer users are your ideal customers. Are you targeting students with broken laptops, small business owners with outdated desktops, gamers with high-end PC issues? Get super specific. Write down their age range, what they use their computers for, their biggest tech frustrations, where they spend time online. Once you know this, you can tailor your marketing messages to speak directly to their pain points. Step 2. Create a Google business profile. Local SEO starts here. If you haven't done this yet, stop everything and set up your free Google business profile. In 2025, over 90% of people who search computer repair near me only look at the top 3 listings on Google Maps. Optimize your profile with business hours and services, high-quality before and after photos, a compelling business description with your main keywords like computer repair services and local computer technician. At least 20 real customer reviews. Ask happy clients to leave them. This boosts your local SEO, puts you on the map, literally, and helps build instant trust with potential clients. Step 3. Use Facebook groups and local forums. Be present where people are asking for help. Join 5 to 10 Facebook groups in your local area, especially community groups, yard sale groups, and tech-related discussion boards. People often post asking for help when their computers crash. But here's the key. Don't just promote yourself. Start by offering free value. Answer questions, post helpful tips, share tech warnings or software updates. After a few interactions, people will start tagging you when others ask for help. That's organic marketing gold. And don't forget local forums like Nextdoor or Reddit subs like Our Tech Support. These platforms are underused and wide open for local tech businesses. Step 4. Offer a low-cost diagnostic or free pickup. Break the barrier. A lot of people hesitate to contact a computer repair business because they fear high costs. You can break that barrier by offering a low-cost or free diagnostic service, or if you're mobile, free pickup and delivery within 10 miles. Once you get the device in your hands, that's your chance to build trust and explain what needs fixing. Most people will approve the work if they feel they've gotten honest advice upfront. This strategy converts cold leads into paying clients quickly. Step 5. Build a referral network. Clients who bring clients. Your happy clients are your best salespeople. Here's how to make it work. Print small referral cards that offer $10 off for both the referrer and the new client. Offer small business owners a partnership deal. They refer clients, you give their staff a discount. Ask satisfied clients to tag you on social media when they post about their repair. Word of mouth still wins in 2025, but you have to give people a reason to talk about you. Step 6. Use short-form videos to showcase your skills. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Don't worry, you don't need to dance. Just record simple videos like why your laptop is overheating. This $5 fix can save your $800 PC. Top 3 computer scams in 2025 and how to avoid them. These videos build trust fast. Post them consistently and always include your business name and location in the caption. Use hashtags like Camcars Computer Repair Tips, Jark's Tech Fix 2025, and Price Your City Repair. In less than a month, people will start recognizing you as the expert in your area. Step 7. Run a hyperlocal ad campaign. Small budget, big impact. You don't need a huge ad budget. With just $5-10 a day, you can run Facebook or Google ads targeting people in a 10-mile radius who are searching for laptop not turning on, virus removal service, computer technician near me. Make sure your ad links to a landing page with your services, reviews, and contact form. Local service ads in 2025 are incredibly smart. They track user behavior and place your business in front of the right people at the right time. Step 8. Offer maintenance plans. Turn one-time clients into recurring revenue. Here's a pro move most tech repair businesses skip, offering a monthly or yearly maintenance plan. You can include virus scans, software updates, performance tune-ups, priority service. Even if you charge just $10, $20 a month, it creates a predictable stream of income and keeps you top of mind. People love having a computer guy they can call anytime something goes wrong. Step 9. Partner with local businesses. B2B is big in 2025. Reach out to real estate offices, law firms, clinics, design studios. Any business that relies on computers is a potential partner. Offer them a bulk service deal or monthly IT checkups. Fixing even a few workstations can lead to thousands of dollars a year in recurring work, and you only need a handful of solid business clients to stay fully booked. Step 10. Build a reputation you're proud of, online and offline. Your business is only as good as your reputation. Deliver exceptional service. Be on time. Speak respectfully. Educate clients. Follow up after repairs. Ask for testimonials. Share them on your website and social media. Keep improving. In 2025, trust is currency. People don't just buy services, they buy confidence. If you got value from this video and you're serious about growing your computer repair business in 2025, make sure to like this video so more tech pros like you can see it, and subscribe for weekly tips on how to attract clients, grow faster, and build a real business that lasts. Let me know in the comments. What strategy are you going to try first?